Hello kids and welcome to another day of art with Mr. P. Today Mr. P is going to teach you a new alphabet. Right there, this one's called the visual alphabet. The visual alphabet are 12, count them, 12 simple lines and squiggles and shapes that we can use to build and draw almost anything. Just like letters in our regular alphabet, we put those together to make words. We take the symbols in the visual alphabet and we put them together to create pictures. Very simple and easy to do, and it's a great way to start thinking about how to draw things based off of their very, very simple shapes. Now, when we look at the visual alphabet really quick, we'll notice one or two things. We'll notice that up here at the top, all of these symbols right here, the point, the line, the angle, the arc, the spiral, and the loop, are all based off of lines. Simple lines, and we talk about lines all the time in art class. Now down here at the bottom, you can see all of these symbols are based off of, can you guess it? That's right, shapes. Very simple shapes to put together. Now some of these lines and shapes can be used in different ways. Don't think that just because I have an arc over here that it has to look just like this arc. It could be tall and skinny. It could be upside down. It could be sideways. We can move our symbols all around to help us build anything we need to build. To draw, do you need an example? I will show you one. I am going to take, let's see, I am going to take an oval plus lines. Actually, it's going to be two lines plus an arc. I'm going to use an upside down arc. And actually, I'm going to use three arcs. One, I'm going to use one that goes this way, and I'm going to use another one that goes this way. Now let's see what happens when I build using these lines. I'm going to grab a different color here so we can see. So let's start with the oval at the top. Oval. And then I'm going to take the two lines. 1, 2. I'm going to take the arc that's upside down. And I'm going to take these sideways arcs, and just that simply, I made my coffee cup sitting right here. I can even get crazy. Let's put a little spiral in the middle. Whoosh. There's a spiral from the coffee cup inside. It's kind of tough to see. Let's see, what else can we do to build something else? Let's take two circles. Let's take two lines. And let's take two arcs. I can see what happens when we use those things to build. I can use those things and maybe I create 1, 2 circles, 2 lines, an arc, and you know what? Let's add another arc right there in the middle. And we just made some glasses. How about we use the rectangle plus a triangle and some ovals. I had a couple ovals actually, and let's see what we get here. Rectangle, triangle, three little circles. I just made a block of cheese. See how easy that is to build with these shapes? We can build any kind of things we need to build just using these visual alphabets. So your assignment today, if you want to give it a try, is how many things can you draw using these shapes? Ooh. Using these, I said shapes. Let's call them symbols because they're not all shapes, remember? How many shapes can you draw using these shapes? How many things can you draw using these shapes and symbols? I am curious to see if you can fill an entire page full of just things around your house that you could draw just using these simple symbols. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great day today, and I hope everybody is doing well, and I can't wait to see some of your pages filled with pictures today. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you soon.